Hey, good morning, everyone. I just think this week is a complete mess in the crypto world. You get me? My name is Mr. Marinos, the CEO of Gbpchf Limited. I'm just going to do a real quick recap on some analysis I've been trying to work on. This week is just a complete mess. Just imagine what is happening. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks of ranging. So it's becoming hard to analyze for me. I've been trying to follow this market because I'm trading on one of my friend's smaller accounts. So I'm just trying to do a quick run up on whatever is happening this week. All I know is that our last lower high is here. So I think we are supposed to come and take this, come back down to find, come to this supply and come back down. Well, for now, I'm just going to flow with the market. So the best I can get out of Eurocad, Euro Canadian dollar, dropping to the lower time frame and dropping is this. Okay, yesterday we had a doji indecision candle, so pretty where we are going. So pretty much I did something on, what's it called? I think I checked something, but I hope I'm right. I think I saw the divergence. Sorry. I think I saw a divergence on Eurocad to the downside. So this was a divergence I saw. I was waiting for the market to retrace, to come and break these, which it did with a wick. But you know wicks, I guess. And so what I'm just going to do is try and see if I can run through this market. Generally, what I was waiting for is a retracement to the downside. I guess it's coming to retest. Then if we break this, we can go. This is the price action I'm waiting for to take an entry here through 323 pips to the downside. That's if it plays out like this. As it plays out like this, that's over 323 pips to calculator. Coming. 1.3 pips minus 362, 306. That's a very small pip. So definitely, probably we take it from here to the downside. So if I can get that right, 323 minus 290. 33 pips, not a bad one. So this is what I'll be looking out for. This is my fourth leg. That's if it does an Elliott wave to the downside. Sorry. That's if it does an Elliott wave to the downside, giving us a head and shoulders pattern on head, left, right, shoulder, right shoulder, head, right, sorry, left shoulder, head, right, left shoulder, right shoulder, head, then take us to the downside, break us, then come to retest and go. This is the only ABC move I'm looking for because we might have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A, B, C move. That's the only explanation I can get. Sorry. That's the only explanation I can get here now for a bearish scenario. Aside from that, I'm not seeing anymore. So I follow my chart patterns to determine my entry. So this is my strategy basically. Well, if I drop to a smaller time frame, what I can see is that probably doing more trade confirmation on Eurocad. We're on this rising channel, trying to find a confirmation on this rising channel, which we broke out from. This was our last lower high, so definitely I'm supposed to break this with a candle. This is why I love trading confirmation. So this was, now see what is happening here now. That's why we got an indecision candle on the daily, I think. I guess it. See what is happening here right now. Going to the 4-hourly chart. Did we break it? Yes, we changed character, we broke it. We broke this lower high. If you check the push, and go back to the push again. We check the push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we check that push, come in. Sorry. If we check, we see that this was our last. We broke this previous high already. For us to break this to the downside, that's to show you that this was supposed to be an entry. This was supposed to be an entry to come and take this trade to the downside to see if we could break. Now we've broken it. That's on that confirmation again that we might be reversing to the downside. So if you check this channel very well, check this channel very well. You see that we're having an ascending channel here, which tends to go like this. Guess week breaks to the downside, retest, and start coming down. So you can have your left shoulder, right shoulder, and your head. Break it. So this is supposed to be an entry if this a bearish scenario turns out. So this is my analysis for Eurocad coming back to the downside in the next coming days or weeks or months. So depends how long it takes. But from here, I'll be watching Eurocad and see what it does from here. Oh, sorry, I'm not subscribed on this account, so I'll be watching Eurocad and see what it does from here. As you can see, dropping further to the lower time frame. As you can see on the 1 hour, we check the 4 hour. Let me see if I can get any other more confidence to buttress my entry. So using fib, we're already at our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So if we can get a retracement and break this previous high, then come back to retest our supply and fail, come back and break this, then I'm looking for an entry around here before we come back to break this and break and go down. So these are the trade setters I will be looking out for the next coming days. But for now, I am just on a very, very small, what's it called? Entry. Took an entry from here already. That's taking a risk based on my previous, what's it called? Big retracement, and hope that this plays to the downside. So this is a market I'm looking at for right now. I'm on Eurocad and I pray this plays out, because yesterday was an initial candle, so buyers can decide to move the market to the upside from here or to the downside. But this divergence I got here already has invalidated a lot of things. So I'm working, just trying to flow the market as I'm saying it. So I don't want to get deceived. So, but definitely I trade structure. So this was supposed to, if you check it very well, divergence. So this was supposed to break this last low, which it did with a week. So definitely it came to retest 0.618. So it lost week. So I'm waiting for this demand to happen. If there's a demand here, definitely what we're trying to do right now is flow back to the demand. There's any demand here that takes us to the upside and break this, that means we change character, come back here, and from that's my bullish scenario, and we'll head up. So this is the case for a bullish scenario that I'm looking out for right now. So I'm trying to see if I can 526 pips to probably 326 is 200 pips. With one lot should be $2,000. With 0.1 lot should be $200. So let's see how this particular one plays out. And if it plays out this way, and we come back and break this previous high, that means we're bullish again. This is a bullish scenario. So I just did the bearish and the bullish scenario for you to see where we may go, where we may head higher. So these are these two scenarios we have right now. So let me go back. These are the two scenarios we have right now on Euro, Canadian dollar. So trade carefully, follow the market, flow the market. But remember, we'll have a bearish divergence here. A bearish divergence here. So trade carefully and watch out for your, what was it called? Market outlook. Watch out for economic calendars. So if we go to the economic calendars to see if we can see something that might cause a reversal today. I've not checked my calendars today, so I'm just trading technical, so I've not checked my fundamentals today. So I'll just do a quick recap on my fundamental analysis and see if there's anything that can give us. As at where we are right now, today, we have just two-star European Central Bank non-monetary policy. We have basically euros today, nothing very much. We have crude inventories today by 430, which is very important on the US oil. So nothing much. So we just flow the market. So I'll end this here for now. Just same thing happening for Euro AUD also. What can you see? Things are just getting messy. 4 to 5 weeks of ranging. 4 to 5 weeks of ranging. I took a loss on this one because I had to exit the market. If I can analyze that again, otherwise, what was I saying there? Sorry. So let me try and see if I can. Analyze AUD also. Well, see where that ranging. All I can see here is, how do you analyze this? How do I analyze this? Okay, all I can see was that this is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, let's see. There's no point trying. Let's follow the market. All I can see that we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. We're supposed to come down here for an Elliott wave test before we get our fifth leg. But if you check the market right now, this is a bullish scenario which we have changed character here already. As you can see, we broke this low last high, so this is a change of character. So what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to at least pull back to 0.5, which is here. So if I do an Elliott wave, I don't know, Elliott wave are not always right though, but if we come back and start doing an Elliott wave pattern, probably 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3, we should know the 3 is the longest, then 4, 4 must not go beyond 1, then go for our fifth leg to see if we can come and retest this whole supplies here. That was our last high, so watch out for this for bullish cases. But what has been happening on Euraud for the past how many days is not funny at all. So let me delete all this or check on the charts to see if, okay, just imagine I've tried my best over the past days to analyze this, whatever is happening here. What is this? How many days of shoppishness? So this is ranging right now. Please and please and please. I know that we're in a bullish phase. But whatever this is, avoid it so that you don't get punished. Avoid it. So I'll end my Euro, Euro, Canadian dollar, AUD analysis here for today. Bye for now. Probably also checking something. Wow, I'm in trouble again. Just imagine, what is this? What is this? And if you look at this market on Gbpchf, overall, the trend is your friend. We're on a downtrend. We've been on a downtrend for a very, very long time, since 20 USD. So Gbpchf has been on a downtrend for a very long time. Now, just imagine what's going on. I've been on a downtrend for a very long time. How do you analyze this? Let's go to the line chart and see. Sorry. How do you analyze this? So all I can see is that this was our last Gbpchf. This was our last lower high, and this our lower low. So we're trading within this range, this whole, what's it called, push to the downside right now. So if I'm you, I'll wait for us to come and retest here to form a double bottom. If we don't break below, then we can wait for a change of character, then come back and find our entry before we start pushing to the upside. This is the only logical, what's it called, market structure I can find. So if we go back to our candlesticks, I will say we should avoid this even though these two candles I2 is at top, is a tweezer, so I think we should avoid this for now. Wow, this market is not giving me good sign of an entry. Not that we have even probably, okay, let me see, lower low, lower high, lower low. So even if we take this from here to here, well, I think we went above 2 weeks ago. We went above 0.5 retracement level, came down. Now we're retesting it and coming down again. So if I drop to my lower time frame to find out whatever is happening, this is why sometimes you don't just have to follow Elliott wave. But this is playing out well on Elliott wave, as you can see. Our bullish case, our bullish scenario. Let me come back and delete all this so that our chart will be clean. Using Elliott wave, we have 2, 3, 4. We are supposed to have a fifth leg to the upside using Elliott wave to come and test our last high. Probably even break it for us to confirm that we're bullish again. Then do our normal ABC move back to the downside. Okay, this video is getting too long. Probably you don't even break itself, even though it's here. Do A, B, C to the downside. So if I'm going to do a dubious speculation or market structure, this is what I'm supposed to get. But normally, as it stands right now, I don't know how long this is going to take, but I don't get a clear market structure. I'm not taking this trade again because this thing has just been fooling everybody since yesterday. I think this was what I was trying to analyze yesterday on Gbpchf. As you can see, everything is just so shocking. But we're trending bullish. We're bullish on Gbpchf. So what might be the case here? If I'm to analyze this, I think we've done 1, 2, first push. Sorry. Lower low. Higher low because we broke the structure. This was an entry. Change character. This was an entry. Became higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So definitely I'm supposed to do a higher high. So if I'm to delete all this and use, it was our last higher high, higher low, higher high. So if I'm to use a fib retracement to find out where we might be going to, starting from here to here to here, coming to 793 pips. So what is happening? Which corresponds with our last high. So if I'm to let you take this trade based on Elliott wave theory, I would say that if we drop to a lower time frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. Let's just flow the market. The market actually says that this was our last low. Then we broke structure. So definitely what broke that structure is what we should be looking out for. Whatever broke that structure is this guy, is this demand. So this is for our structure. So what I'm doing from now on is just trying to flow with the market. Let me see if I am on a trade on this already. If not, this is not good. So I'll just follow my 4-hourly structure and see if we can get our demand back to this area. Sorry, if we can get our demand back. What am I doing? Pardon me. I'm trying to use brush instead. I was trying to look for my path. Okay. Get the demand back to this area before we can go for this high. So trade carefully. This is a demand that broke the structure. So we'll come back down here, find support here, demand here. I get it, then move higher. But mind you, I'm seeing something else. We might be coming back to test this or this lower support we're having here. So be careful. This support. We didn't break the support, so this is a good push. We didn't break already, so this is supposed to be a good push, but we might be coming back to liquidate and find support here before heading higher. So this is my bullish case scenario. We are still bullish. That's why I'm doing a bullish case scenario since yesterday on Gbpchf. So I'll end this video here for now. Then come back later or tomorrow to check whatever is happening. So this is my analysis for today, the 9th of November 2022. Bye for now.